Hello, welcome back with us. So it's day 15 of our 30-day wave journey. So we're halfway there and we are obviously getting our progress. So today we're going to be doing our night routine. This is going to be the first night routine of the 30-day wave journey. And the reason behind this is that I did cut my hair low a little bit. Because the fuller your hair, the more work you need to put in as a 360 waver for a quartz hair. So I decided to just put my hair moderate because I may not have like enough time to like put in the brushing session that a full hair needs. Yeah, but it's always very good to like keep your hair full and like keep brushing if you can keep up with the brushing session and like putting that work. It's always very good. It makes your wave deeper and they call it wolfing. Like when you leave your hair, like try not to cut it down, then you keep on like putting in work. You do more of the wash and style. Wash and style works best on a fuller hair actually, because like it keeps your wig deep and the best result comes from a fuller hair. So yeah, now that I have like a moderate and like a balanced sized hair, we are going to be doing less wash and style method. So in a week we can do our wash and style like twice, and we'll be doing more of the morning and night routine. But then if you still have a fuller hair compared to this, you can always do your wash and style every 3 or 2 days. Yeah, that doesn't hurt. So now I'm going to be doing our night routine whereby you get in your brushing session before you go to bed. So without so much being said, let's get to it. We are using our pomades. So I'll be going with this just this today. Yeah, so we're done with our brushing session now and we want to wrap up. Yeah, I have my Ziploc bag here, but I feel like we should do this like just in the morning routines. So yeah, this is not a silky drag, so I feel like I'm not feeling it like a silky drag. I would advise you to get a silky drag if you like once you are ready to get your drags out there. Like they are the best you can use for your waves. They lay down your waves better. This is not a silky one. So yeah, so this is what a silky drag looks like. It has a very shiny feel. You can see compared to this is like a close like material. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all for tonight with us. We'll be doing day 16 tomorrow and I would be introducing some products to you. Yeah.